The clockwork heart, a marvel of gears and steam, symbolizes not just life, but the intricate dance between man and machine. It embodies the era's dreams of animating the inanimate and understanding the very essence of existence through engineering. A bustling marketplace reveals the heart's influence, not just in technology, but in fashion and art. Automatons powered by miniature clockwork hearts perform tasks, blurring the line between human and machine. Professor Abernathy, a brilliant but eccentric inventor, unveils his latest creation, a fully functional clockwork heart. His creation is more than a machine, it's a testament to his belief in the power of engineering to replicate life. News of the invention spreads, attracting the attention of both admirers and detractors. Some hail it as a breakthrough, while others fear its potential to undermine the very definition of humanity. A clandestine organization, known as the Luddite League, plots to destroy the clockwork heart. They see it as an abomination, a symbol of the encroaching mechanization of society. Evelyn Reed, a brilliant but disillusioned scientist, is torn between her admiration for Abernathy's work and her fear of its consequences. She is crucial to the Luddite League's plan. The Luddite League launches its attack, infiltrating Abernathy's workshop under the cover of darkness. They aim to destroy the clockwork heart and send a message to the world. Abernathy, alerted by the intrusion, confronts the Luddites, defending his creation with ingenuity and determination. He sees the heart as his life's work, a symbol of progress and innovation. Evelyn, conflicted by her loyalties, must choose between her commitment to the Luddite League and her admiration for Abernathy's genius. Her decision will determine the fate of the clockwork heart. A fierce struggle ensues, with gears flying and steam hissing, as the Luddites attempt to destroy the clockwork heart. The workshop is transformed into a battleground of ideals and technology. In a moment of crisis, Evelyn makes her choice, siding with Abernathy and helping him fend off the Luddites. She realizes that progress, even with its risks, is essential for humanity's future. The remaining Luddites are defeated, their attack thwarted. Abernathy and Evelyn stand side by side, amidst the wreckage of the workshop, their bond strengthened by the shared struggle. The clockwork heart, though damaged, continues to beat, a symbol of resilience and the enduring spirit of innovation. Its gears tick on, a testament to the power of human ingenuity. Evelyn and Abernathy work together to refine the clockwork heart, improving its design and functionality. Their collaboration marks the beginning of a new era of scientific progress. The clockwork heart inspires a new generation of inventors and dreamers, ushering in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. Its influence extends far beyond the laboratory. The clockwork heart becomes a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, human ingenuity can triumph. Its legacy endures, inspiring generations to come. Years later, a young girl discovers a miniature clockwork heart in her grandmother's attic. It sparks her curiosity and sets her on a path of discovery, leading her to uncover the secrets of the past. She researches Abernathy and Evelyn, learning about their struggles and triumphs. The clockwork heart inspires her to pursue her own dreams of becoming an inventor. Inspired by the clockwork heart, the girl designs her own inventions, pushing the boundaries of technology and imagination. She carries on the legacy of Abernathy and Evelyn. The girl's invention becomes a sensation, inspiring a new generation of innovators and dreamers. The clockwork heart's influence continues to ripple through time, shaping the future of humanity. The final shot lingers on the miniature clockwork heart, a timeless symbol of life, innovation, and the enduring power of the human spirit. Its gears continue to turn, a testament to the legacy of Abernathy and Evelyn. The clockwork heart, once a mere invention, becomes an enduring symbol of hope and the boundless potential of human creativity. It reminds us that even the most intricate mechanisms can embody the very essence of life.